Have you ever walked into your garden, looked at your plants, and wondered why they just aren't thriving the way you imagined? Maybe your leaves are a dull pale green, your stems feel fragile, or your flowering plants are completely stalling out with zero blooms. You see other gardeners online with massive monsteras, thick tomato vines loaded with fruit, and exploding flowers, and you wonder, what secret are they hiding? Well, the secret isn't magic. It comes down to the fuel you feed your soil. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most legendary high-performance nutrient lineups in the USA, the FoxFarm Liquid Fertilizer Trio. If you've spent any time in American garden centers or online gardening groups, you've definitely seen these three iconic bottles sitting together on the shelf: Big Bloom, Grow Big, and Tiger Bloom. But what actually makes this trio so powerful? How does each bottle work inside your plant, and how do you use them without accidentally destroying your roots? Let's break down the whole story from start to finish. To really understand why this trio works, you have to realize that a plant's appetite changes completely as it grows, just like a human. Giving flowering fertilizer to a baby seedling is a disaster, and giving heavy vegetative food to a plant trying to set fruit will leave you with nothing but big green leaves and zero produce. FoxFarm solved this puzzle by splitting plant nutrition into three distinct phases. Let's meet the first player in the lineup, Big Bloom. Look at the numbers on this bottle, and you'll see an NPK of 0.01, 0.3, 0.7. At first glance, that looks incredibly weak, but here is the secret. Big Bloom is not designed to be a heavy primary feeder. It is a 100% organic biological powerhouse packed with pure bat guano, Norwegian kelp, and earthworm castings. Think of Big Bloom as a multivitamin and root conditioner for your soil. Its job is to wake up beneficial soil microbes, expand root hair surface area, and help the plant absorb other heavy nutrients without stress. Because it is so gentle, it will never burn your plants, meaning you can safely use it from the early seedling stage all the way to the final harvest. Next up is the powerhouse for structural growth, Grow Big. With an NPK of 644, this bottle is your vegetative engine. It is packed with water-soluble nitrogen and potassium designed for rapid cell division. When your plant is young and building its framework, Grow Big steps in to create thick, sturdy main stems, rapid branching, and broad, deep green foliage packed with chlorophyll. If you have foliage houseplants like monsteras or young vegetable plants that need to get big fast before setting fruit, Grow Big is what gives them that intense growth spurt. Then comes the finisher, Tiger Bloom. When your plant transitions from growing leaves to pushing flower buds, its nutritional demand flips entirely. Tiger Bloom comes in with an aggressive 2-8-4 formula, loaded with high phosphorus and chelated trace minerals. Phosphorus is the biological trigger that tells the plant stop stretching and start producing massive, dense flower clusters and sweet fruits. It ensures every single bud site opens strong and stays vibrant. Now, as powerful as this trio is, there is a dark side if you don't respect its strength. The single biggest mistake beginner gardeners make with FoxFarm is overfertilizing. Grow Big and Tiger Bloom are highly concentrated mineral nutrients. If you dump them undiluted into your soil or mix them too heavy, mineral salts will build up rapidly around the root zone. This causes what growers call root burn and nutrient lockout, where your soil becomes so salty and toxic that the roots literally dry up, the tips of your leaves turn crispy brown, and the plant stops drinking water completely. So how do you apply this trio safely for maximum results? The golden rule is always start with half of the recommended dose. Always start at half of the recommended dose. Here's the exact step-by-step feeding routine. Step 1, always start with 1 gallon of clean, plain water. Never, under any circumstances, mix the pure concentrates together directly in a measuring cup. During the vegetative stage, when your plant is building leaves and stems, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of Big Bloom with 1 to 2 teaspoons of Grow Big per gallon of water. Feed your plants with this mixture every other watering. On the days in between, give them only plain water. When you notice the very first tiny flower buds forming, it's time to transition. Cut your Grow Big dose in half, keep your Big Bloom the same, and add in 1 teaspoon of Tiger Bloom to introduce that extra phosphorus. Once your plant is in full flowering or fruiting mode, eliminate Grow Big entirely. From that point on, you will run strictly Big Bloom and Tiger Bloom at 2 teaspoons per gallon until your harvest is complete. Here are 2 critical pro tips to guarantee success. First, always check your soil water pH. FoxFarm nutrients absorb best when your water runoff stays between 5.8 and 6.5. Second, every 3 to 4 weeks, give your pots a thorough flush with plain, clean water until you see water draining out the bottom. This easily washes away any residual salt deposits and keeps your soil fresh and clean. If you're wondering where to find the FoxFarm Liquid Trio, it's widely available across the USA. You can pick it up at almost any local hydroponics shop, major garden centers, the Home Depot, Lowe's, or grab the 3-pack bundle directly on Amazon. The standard Trio pack, which includes 3 16-ounce pint bottles, typically retails for around $35 to $45 in the USA. And because it's so concentrated, a single pack can easily last a typical home gardener an entire season or more. When you treat plant feeding as a science rather than guesswork, the results speak for themselves. Give your soil the right fuel at the right stage, protect those roots, and your garden will reward you with the healthiest, lushest growth you've ever seen.